My name is Wally Hayes. I have been around in the area of toxicology for a little over 40 years.
I'm Roger Clemens. I'm with the USC School of Pharmacy.
My name is Peter Pressman. I studied medicine at Northwestern University.
I was trained as a chemist and then became a toxicologist through advanced training and also working on the job.
My background really is in nutrition and biological chemistry. So I understand how food and nutrients and drugs are metabolized in our body and what the benefits may be or the contraindications may be when we consume these kinds of substances.
I was trained at Northwestern, at Rush Press St. Luke's in Chicago, and at the University of Wisconsin.
Hi, Wally. This is the original Roger Clemens. Not that Boston Red Sox. I think that the important thing that we bring to Forever is the uniqueness of the team, ranging from somebody that is very, very specialized and well-known in the area of nutrition, a clinician, and someone who is well-known and respected in the area of food safety and that broad area of toxicology.
The executive team of this organization is committed to excellence, is committed to safety, is committed to evidence-based positioning of its products and its ingredients. Very few companies will make that kind of commitment.
And I think the thing that struck me the most was the sincerity that Rex, who is the owner of the company, has in wanting to not just develop good products, but to develop products that people all over the world can use, and they can also generate income so that they can have better lives.
A combination of the above, Wally. We looked at sales.
We were extremely impressed with your facilities. The facilities are well managed. The workforce is dedicated, most enthusiastic about what they're doing and the opportunities that they have for working with Forever Living.
My diagnosis here is that this organization is wonderful, and it will be a privilege to work with. And the prognosis is nothing short of exciting and maybe even limitless.